In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed custom HTML code into your Wix website. This skill can be incredibly handy, whether you're aiming to embed a YouTube video, add interactive widgets, or include other custom features. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix website editor. This is your central hub for making all sorts of customizations to your website, and it's as easy as navigating to the Wix dashboard and selecting your site. Once you're there, you should see a variety of options and tools on the left side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. The next step is to click on Add Elements. This option is usually represented by a plus sign or an Add button. Clicking this will open up a menu of elements that you can add to your website. And here's where it gets exciting. Among the multitude of options, you get to choose how to personalize and enhance your site. In that menu, find and click on Embed Code. This is where you'll be able to introduce custom elements that aren't available directly through Wix's built-in tools. It's essentially your portal to further tailor your site to your audience's needs. Embedded codes can enhance the functionality and appearance of your website by integrating technology from other platforms. Then click Embed HTML from the options that appear. Now, a black text box will unfold, inviting you to paste your custom HTML code. This is where you should paste the actual code you want to include in your site. For instance, if you have the embed code for a YouTube video, you would paste it right here. This step enables you to directly input unique features that enrich the visitor experience. After pasting your code, you'll want to click on Update. By doing this, the changes will take effect, and you can immediately view how the HTML code looks embedded on your site. It's a good time to check over everything to make sure it's working as expected. If anything doesn't look right, don't hesitate to tweak the code. Once you've ensured everything is set up and running smoothly, it's time to close the window. Closing confirms that you're satisfied with the current setup and the changes will be live on your website. The final touch is resizing the element if necessary. Sometimes the embedded content might not fit seamlessly into your current layout. Simply click on the edges of the newly embedded element and drag to adjust its size, ensuring it aligns gracefully with the rest of your design. And there you have it. Success! You've just successfully embedded custom HTML code into your Wix site, adding that extra layer of functionality and personalization. Enjoy the new capabilities on your website, and don't forget to test it live to see how your visitors interact with the new feature.